Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput. Today we will learn different types of alcohol, isomerism in alcohol, and preparation of alcohol. Alcohol is ROH. So first types and nomenclature. First on the basis of R and on the basis of number of OH, number of R. R are alkyl groups. Suppose first R is 1 or 0. This time this is CH3OH. This CH3OH called hydroxymethane, otherwise methyl alcohol. If we replace one hydrogen from this compound, we will write this type CH3CH2OH. This is called, the name of this compound is methyl alcohol, otherwise we can say methanol. In IB system we use all this compound. There are two carbon, so we use ethane and all. This is ethanol. Also we can write this is ethyl alcohol. In this condition, functional group connected with this carbon is called alpha, and if this is alpha and this is one is beta. If number of beta carbon are 0 or 1, in this case there is no beta, but in second case there is one beta. If beta carbon means carbon which is connected with alpha. What is alpha? Alpha means direct connected with functional group. This is functional group connected with alpha, this is beta. So if beta is 0, other beta is 1, these are called primary alcohol on the basis of number of beta carbon atoms. Listen. Second, this is OH group connected with carbon, this is carbon, and in this case there are two CH3 group connected with this complete 4 valency. In this case beta carbon are 2, so this is called secondary alcohol, and its name is 1, 2, 3. In this compound total 3 carbon, so we can write, say this is propane. In propane on second carbon, this is also we can write propane 2-ol. Its IP's name, but the general name is isopropyl alcohol. You can also say this is secondary propyl alcohol. Last, if in case of tertiary, there will be 3 CH3 here. CH3, 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 CH3. These 3 CH3 is connected with this carbon. This is alpha, and in this case there are beta are 3. So if beta carbon are 3, this is called tertiary ROH, tertiary alcohol. So its name is total chain 1, 2, 3 carbon chain. On second carbon there is OH also called, this is called methyl. So we can say this is 2-methyl, this is methyl, 2-methyl propane 2-ol. IPC name is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Its general name is tertiary. This 4 carbon system is called butyl, tertiary butyl alcohol. So on the basis of CH3, alcohols are 3 types on the basis of number of beta carbon. If beta carbon is 0 or 1, this is called primary. These two are primary, this is secondary, and this is tertiary. These categories we can understand easily by help of ball and stick model. Listen. In this compound, you can observe that this is carbon, these are 3 hydrogens, this is O connected with H. So this is called methanol. Otherwise we can say this is methyl alcohol. Here, due to presence of lone pair, the bond between carbon, oxygen and oxygen hydrogen is folded with some angle, not straight line. If we replace this hydrogen by CH3 group, so this becomes CH3, CH2 and OH. This is called ethyl alcohol. Otherwise we can say this is ethanol. This ethanol and that methyl alcohol both are primary. If we replace another H by another CH3. This is CH3, and we replacing this H with this. So this is secondary because function group connected with alpha, and from alpha there are two beta carbon atom. So IUPAC name of this compound is propane 2-ol. On second carbon this is ol. In general we can say this is isopropyl alcohol, otherwise you can say secondary propyl alcohol. Last, if we replace this last hydrogen from alpha carbon and use another CH3 beta carbon, this type system, this is called tertiary system because in this compound there are 3 beta carbon present. So total carbon are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called tertiary butyl alcohol, otherwise you can say state chain 1, 2, 3 and this is CH3. So on second carbon this is CH3, so we can say 2 methyl propane 2-ol IUPAC system. This is tertiary. Listen. But on the basis of OH group, alcohol may be again 3 types. First, if OH is one called monohydric alcohol. Suppose this is CH3OH, this is monohydric. If I am writing here CH3CH2, this is also monohydric because in this compound OH is one. This is called ethyl alcohol. Number 2, dihydric alcohol. In dihydric alcohol, OH should be 2. So OH here on first carbon in this compound, I am writing here OH on second carbon. So name of this compound, this is 1 and 2. This is compound called ethane. From ethane on first and second carbon there are 2 OH groups. We can write ethane 1, 2 diol. Listen, this D is consonant, so we should not drop E. This is ethane diol, also called ethylene glycol. The ethylene glycol, this is common name, but this is IUPAC name. And last is trihydric. Trihydric means there should be 3 OH and OH. These 3 OH connected with carbon and carbon. Fill hydrogen here 2, 1 and 2. So total chain 1, 2, 3. In this system there are 3 carbon chain. So we can write this is propane. In propane there are 3 OH group and position of these OH is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What? Tri-ol. So tri start with T. T is consonant. We will not drop E of propane. Its general name is glycerol. So on the basis of R, alcohol are primary, secondary, tertiary. On the basis of OH, these are monohydric, dihydric, trihydric. But remember, in case of dihydric and trihydric, we should write number of OH group on different carbon atoms, not on same carbon. If listen, this is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is monohydric. If we want to write dihydric and these 2 OH group we have joined on same carbon, it is unstable compound due to lone pair and repulsion. Water molecule from here easily remove. And this, after removal water molecule, this compound converted into aldehyde. If you are writing 3 OH group on same carbon, this is too unstable. So it remove water molecule from here, and after removal water molecule, this will convert into acetic acid. So for di and trihydric, we use OH on different carbon atom, not on same carbon atom. Because dihydric and trihydric on same carbon atom, these are called GM dihydric. These are unstable compound. So next, so our first topic, different types of alcohol. Alcohol are primary, secondary, tertiary on the basis of R, and alcohols also are monohydric, dihydric, trihydric on the basis of OH. Now, the second topic is isomerism in alcohols. Isomerism means same molecular formula but different type function group, different type structure of compound exists, but molecular formula is same, structural formula are not same, other function group not same, otherwise position of function group not same. So these compound are called isomer, process is called isomerism. In alcohol, COPF 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth type isomerism we can observe. First, C means chain isomerism. Chain. Listen, several. CH3, CH2, 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 OH. What is this compound? This compound is one. We start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbon. This is called pentane 1 all. So pentane 1 all. I am writing here N means normal. In this compound there is 5 carbon longest chain present in a straight chain. If we want to write name of this compound, here you will fill hydrogen CH2 CH2H, here CH3 CH3, numbering here 1 2 3 4. In this compound on third carbon there is CH3, so we can write 3 methyl, total carbon 4 and last OH. So this compound 3 methyl butane 1 all and last 3. If I want to write this type system, then total number of carbon 5. This is it. Fill hydrogen atom CH3 CH2 CH3 CH3. All these compounds have same molecular formula. What? C5. Total number of hydrogen are 12 and 1 oxygen. So molecular formula of this compound is same, but their structures are different. These structures based on different type oriented, different arrangement of carbon atom. So this is called chain isomerism, also called skeletal isomerism. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. In this compound there is straight chain of 3 carbon. On second carbon 2 methyl present. So this is called 2,2-dimethyl propane all. So if there is different type chain of carbon and compound have same molecular formula, these different compound are called chain isomers and process is called chain isomerism. So we have written what? COPF. Second O means optical isomerism. Optical isomerism means optical isomers, and optical isomers are chiral compound. Having chiral compound means a compound in which from carbon 4 different type groups are present, and chiral compound have 2 mirror image and these are identical and their behavior toward plane polarized is different. One compound rotates PPL to left hand side, another compound rotates PPL to right hand side. PPL is plane polarized light. Suppose this is compound, suppose my hand are photocopy to each other and these form non-superimposed mirror image photocopy. First this compound rotate PPL to right hand side, this is called dextro. If this rotate PPL to left hand side, this is called levo. Observe here. Listen. This is carbon. Suppose from this carbon there is CH3, C2H5, hydrogen and their OH. Can you write name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 carbon chain. In 4 carbon total chain, on second carbon this is OH. This is compound is called butane 2 all. And can you draw its image in mirror? Suppose this is mirror. What type image will form? Its image from this type. This is carbon. Here OH, CH3, C2H5, here H. Suppose we start rotation from smallest, this is smallest atom. The arrow of this, direction of this arrow is clockwise. So this is called dextro compound, means we write D otherwise plus. We start from hydrogen and arrow of hydrogen is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise to what? Left hand side. We write for this compound L. LAE, we levo-rotated this compound called minus, also called L. So the behavior of these two compounds with PPL, plane polar light. If we pass plane polar light through this compound, it rotates PPL toward left hand side. This compound will rotate PPL toward right hand side. So these are two compounds called optical isomers. We can understand this process by help of this simple model. Suppose this is in middle. This is a chiral compound, carbon atom. Suppose this is ethyl, methyl, hydrogen, and this is suppose OH group. So this is chiral compound and exists in tetrahedral structure. So what type image will form of this compound inside mirror? This type, and it will become turn in this type. So these two are mirror image, and suppose this compound rotate PPL toward left hand side, this is LEVO, and its mirror image will rotate to what? Right hand side. This is called dextro. In exam they are sometimes plus minus butane 2-ol is optically inactive. Give the reason. It means that it is the mixture of dextro and LEVO. Dextro compound rotate PPL to a right hand side and LEVO rotate to left hand side. Resultant is 0. So this is optically inactive. It means its behavior toward PPL is neither dextro nor LEVO. So our trick is COPF. F means last, functional isomerism. In alcohol, functional isomerism we can also see. Listen. Suppose this is CH3 CH2OH. In this compound, functional group is alcohol and this is called ethanol. So last we have studied fourth is functional isomerism. Its formula is C2H6O. This formula also have another compound structure CH3OCH3. In this compound, total carbon, hydrogen, oxygen are this, but this compound is called ether, and its name is dimethyl ether, and this is alcohol. If compound have same molecule formula, but in these two compound function group are different, these are called functional isomers, and phenomena is called functional isomerism. So these four type isomerism we can observe in phenol. Now last topic, the topic is how can we prepare phenol? How can we prepare alcohol? Preparation of alcohol. So there are different type preparation method. R equal to RHGX. This R means reduction, double bond means alkene, and this RM is called Grignard region. From these three different methods we can prepare alcohol. First, R. This R stands for reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. But reduction of which compound? Number one, reduction of carbonyl compound. And carbonyl compound are two types. If in compound this type group present, this is called aldehyde. If in compound this type group present, this is called ketone. So these two belong to carbonyl compound. And second is ester. If compound have this type function group, this is called ester. So our process is reduction. In reduction we use hydrogen. When hydrogen react with these compound, then this hydrogen add here R CH2OH, and here R COH R this type. This is called primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol. So by reduction means addition of hydrogen when aldehyde gives primary alcohol and ketones gives secondary alcohol. But listen, This hydrogenation we use for hydrogen, the reductant use lithium aluminium hydride. This is powerful reducing agent, provide 4 hydrogen, and its property, the beneficial property is that if in aldehyde, otherwise in ketone, there is double bond. Suppose, listen, CH3, CH double bond CH. If we want to reduce this compound, lithium aluminum hydride does not affect this double bond, reactant and also in product. In product, this double bond remain. Only aldehyde is converted into alcohol by help of reduction with aluminium, lithium aluminum hydride. This is ester. Hydrogenation, same catalyst we can use. We can also use any metal just like nickel, Pb, otherwise other some reactant. So these hydrogen joined here and also here. This R and this is ester, RC_OOR. So by addition of hydrogen, which type compound will form? This R react with hydrogen, form simple ROH, and here RCH2OH. These two different type alcohol are formed by breaking this bond. So first means reduction reaction. Reduction of which compound? Reduction in presence of, by the help of aluminium, lithium aluminum hydride. Reduction of carbonyl compound of 2 types, aldehyde and ketone, and reduction of ester. Ester is RCOOR. Good. Second is double bond. Double bond present in alkenes. Suppose CH2 double bond CH2. This is second method from alkene. This is called ethene. If we want to convert ethene to alcohol, there are two different methods. Simple. Two different methods. In first method, we add this water molecule by the help of, in presence of any acid, this H joined here, OH joined here. After the reaction, this type CH3, CH2, OH. This is alcohol is for. The next, this process is called hydration, means addition of hydrogen. This is hydration in presence of acid. Second process is called hydroboration, means by hydration, otherwise by hydroboration of alkene we can prepare alcohol. In hydroboration we use this compound. This is called borane. In hydroboration, hydrogen and boron both react on this compound. This is alkene. So these three hydrogen joined here. I am writing this compound. This type CH3, CH2, again CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2. These three direct joined with boron. This is boron, 3 hydrogen here, 1, 2, 3. The 3 molecule we use. And this is called triethyl borane. If this triethyl borane is treated with this compound, this is called H2O2. This is hydrogen peroxide. So 3 OH joined with boron for 3H3BO3, and these 3 OH joined here for 3 molecule of CH3 CH2 OH. So by alkene, two simple process, hydration means reaction of water in presence of acid. This is called hydroboration. And last one is from Grignard reagent. The most important technique is preparation of alcohol by Grignard reagent. This is Grignard reagent, RMgX. If we react with oxygen, this is oxygen. This oxygen joined here, water, ROMgX. If this compound is treated with water in presence of any acid, then MgX react with OH for what? Hydroxy magnesium halide, and this H joined here, this is alcohol. Another, this RMgX can also react with cyanide. This RC triple bond NR. Join R with here and MgX with cyanide, nitrogen. Here R1, 2 are joined direct with this carbon. This bond become double bond and N with MgX here. This is intermediate compound. If this compound is heated with water, this is water, this is another, 2 water molecules are used. So this for what? Same. And this compound for NH3 ammonia. This O joined here. So after joining here, this type compound is formed. This compound is called ketone, not alcohol, ketone. This ketone is further react with RMG. This is RMgX. So R joined here and MgX joined with oxygen. After the reaction, this type product will form. In here, R, 3R means R, this R from Grignard region form with carbon. Carbon react with oxygen and from with this oxygen, there is MgX. And after the reaction, if this compound heated with water in presence of acid, what will happen? This OH react with this compound form MgX and OH, and this H joined here. Here after the reaction, this type tertiary means RRR, tertiary 3 carbon with OH. This tertiary alcohol is formed. This is some difficult reaction but important reaction. So today we have observed different type alcohol, their preparation method, their isomerism. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.